Hi, this is Miss McPhee and it's Thursday, September 26th. This is a video for our Math 6 students for our weekly homework. You had a quiz this week, our first quiz together, and you received it back today, so reminder to look at that with your folks at home. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know. But I thought it was a really strong start. We have the homework this week. It is front and back. I did want to draw your attention here to Unit 1, Lesson 8. It does say explain at least one student's way of thinking and why his or her answer is correct, which means the answer is correct and you only have to pick either Elena or Lynn or Noah to talk about why their proof of the triangle having an area of 14 is correct. So for all of them, this is the initial triangle, but they're all showing their answer in a different way. So you only have to pick one of them, but you do have to explain. So a little sentence with a little work shown would be fine. This question here is asking you for both of these to identify the base and the height, and then of course use them to find our formula. But the question that I had in the box was this one. Here are some quadrilaterals, meaning they all have four sides. Circle all the quadrilaterals you think could be decomposed into two identical triangles using only one line. So it does need to be identical, not just two triangles. I'm going to use a straight edge and see which of these I might be able to do. This trapezoid here, I could divide it into two triangles, but they would not be identical. For B, that would work. I could go ahead and draw along the diagonal and form two identical triangles. For C, someone said, well, can't I just divide it in half and make two more rectangles? Of course you could, but the directions say when can you also make it into two identical triangles. So we're looking at a diagonal for these. And C will work, so B and C. For D, let's see if we draw the diagonal, what happens? D will work. For E, if we draw along the diagonal, no, definitely not. And if we were to draw along the other diagonal, just because I want to be sure that maybe my diagonal wasn't the mistake. Oh yeah, you can see a much smaller triangle. So not A or E. And then how about F? Well, for F, I'm going to draw my diagonal this way. And those are identical. Very good. So which ones did we circle? B, C, D, and F. And what do they all have in common? We have. And how are they different from A and E? So I'm going to ask you to figure that out yourself now that we know the four that are identical. Look at their features and what they have in common and what makes them different from the two we did not circle. Thank you for all your hard work. I appreciate working with you every day. It's a lot of fun, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.